Welcome to JH. Today, I'll demonstrate how to grant editing permissions for your Google Sheets document. Begin by opening your spreadsheet and selecting the Share button located in the top corner. To proceed, your file must have a title. If it doesn't, enter a name now and click Save. This opens the sharing menu, allowing you to include specific individuals, groups, or calendar events. Simply enter the email address of the person you want to collaborate with and select their profile from the list. You have the option to notify them with a custom message. For instance, you could write, "Hello, please review this." There is also a feature to copy the direct link right here if needed. Most importantly, ensure their role is set to editor rather than viewer or commenter to allow them to make changes. Once the settings are correct, hit Send to grant access to the other person. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped, please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials.